Hello everyone, my name is Andrew Toffoli. I'm an author and illustrator, and I'm honored to be part of your Meet the Master series. Today we're going to learn how to draw two of my favorite characters, Christopher Columbus and Galileo Galilei. Take your time, watch carefully, and soon enough you'll be a master at drawing my characters. Let's begin. Okay, so now we're going to do our drawing of our character here. And the first one we're going to do is my first and favorite character, Christopher Columbus. So on your paper, and notice I'm using a pencil, not a pen, and we'll go into that why in a second. We draw a circle. Any circle, it could be a little elongated, like a little ellipse or an oval. Now we know our eyes are going to go, our ears, our nose, our mouth. We draw another simple shape, and that shape is a plus sign or cross. So this is like a map. This tells you your eyes are going to go here, your nose, your mouth. We start with our eyes. Now our eyes are not black circles, but look at them as like black beans. See one bean right here, almost like an oval, and another one here. Okay? Now, next step is to draw a little line underneath that eye, like so. And then we're going to draw a shape around those eyes, and that shape, if you remember, is an arch. Okay? Now, once we have these eyes, go ahead and do that now. We're all the way there because every character is going to start off with these eyes like you see. So draw a little line under the bridge of the nose here, and now we're ready to go. So let's draw Christopher Columbus now. We first draw kind of like a little half of a peanut there, and then another one right here. Go to your mouth, draw its tongue, do a little line underneath there, then you draw his nostril, and keep it like so. So I'll wait a few seconds while you catch up there. Remember, it doesn't have to look exactly alike, but something similar, okay? Now to make him smile, make a line there, like a C, and then a backward C here. Next, go to an eyebrow and an eyebrow. If I'm going too fast, you can pause it. Get ahead of myself sometimes. Okay? Once we have this here, we're almost there. We're gonna draw his special hat. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to make him smile. Line there, line there. And now, forgot one here. Make his head a little skinnier there, or almost there. Now his hat will go line here, a line up there, and a line coming down over here. Almost like a little kind of a chef's hat, but having the line up there a little different. And lastly, his ear, little part of his neck there. And there we have Christopher Columbus. Now you can shade in where his ears go and shade in where his mouth goes there, his ear here. And there you have Christopher Columbus there. And if anyone remembers, what is the last thing we put in? Yeah, I heard in the back there. Sign your name. Okay, and if you wanted to now, you would take your Sharpie and go over these lines, and then you can erase your plus sign and all the other lines once you put your Sharpie in there. Okay? All right, let's go to another character. Our second and final one. Now everyone, first thing again, start off with that's right, a circle. Oh, by the way, we're drawing Galileo Galilei. This is very simple, easy character. Next step, you're an expert at this now, your plus sign. Next one, your eyes again. Remember that little line right here, and what shape? That's right, an arch. Okay, now Galileo will not have that little line here, but rather he has a beak. In order to draw that beak, go to where these lines intersect here and here, and do like a little smile line, like so. Okay, looking good. Now to make that beak, join this line from here to there, and the same thing on the other side. Now all these drawings are pretty much a bunch of lines put together to form a character. Now to put his beak, we're gonna draw a triangle, start here, go all the way down here, and all the way over there. You see that beak there? One simple triangle at where these intersect. Put a little line here, a little line there, eyebrows. And now this is the tricky part. This is where, he kind of comes to shape. Start over here and do kind of like, almost like a heart shape, like so. So it gives him kind of his lower mouth, chin. He's pretty much done now. Put a little feather up here. Put little feathers on the side. His neck. Close it up there. And there we have Galileo Galilei. And our last step, everyone, sign your name. Okay? Now with those, I'm pretty sure you can go back and forth with these and go over it. Remember, practice makes perfect. I normally did not always do these so quickly, but if you practice with this, you'll be drawing your own characters in no time at all. Okay, thank you again. That concludes our lesson for today.